So I am going to do some questions here. Formulae are the same. There are the same formulae. You see the question number 8. Question number 8. Here P minus Q equals to 9 and PQ equals to 36. You have to find P plus Q and P square minus Q square. How will you do? How will you do this question? So see here, already I have told one formula here, A plus B whole square equals to A minus B whole square plus 4AB plus 4AB. It's clear. A plus B whole square equals to A minus B whole square plus 4AB. So in terms of P and Q, it will be P plus Q whole square equals to P minus Q whole square plus 4PQ. Now what is P minus Q? Given 9. So it is 9 whole square plus 4. And what is PQ? It is 36. So 81 plus 144. That is equal to 225. P plus Q whole square equals to 225. So what is P plus Q? It is the square root of 225. That is 15. It's clear? Then what will be P square minus Q square? It is P plus Q into P minus Q. P plus Q is 15. P minus Q is 9. That is 135. Tanisha Gupta, turn off your audio. Tanisha Gupta, you turn off your audio. So all of you see here, whether it is clear. This thing is clear. Now you see some more questions. For example, I will take question number 10. X minus 1 of x equals to, here x is equal, x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon x. And you have to determine this value. So all of you see here, as you know that this expression, this algebraic expression, this is an algebraic expression. This algebraic expression comes in the formula of x plus 1 upon x ka whole square या in x minus 1 upon x ka whole square. That you know. This thing comes in whether in the formula of this or in the formula of this. What is given in the question? X minus 3 equals to 1 upon x. So you bring 1 upon x in the left side. Bring 1 upon x in the left side. It's clear? So see here, it will become x minus 1 upon x equals to 3. Now what will you do? On squaring both sides. When you will do the square, x minus 1 upon x whole square equals to 3 square. That is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 equals to 9. So what is x square plus 1 upon x square? It is equal to 9 plus 2, 11. It is equal to 9 plus 2 equals to 11. Now see the question number 80. Question number 80. x plus 1 upon x is given 6, and you have to determine x minus 1 upon x and x square minus 1 upon x square. Aditya Bajpayee, how will you do this question? Aditya Bajpayee. How will you do this question? Value of x plus 1 upon x is given, and you have to determine x minus 1 upon x. Shreya Misra. Shreya.
Sir, we will use the formula a plus b whole square equals to a minus b
Yes.
whole square plus 4ab.
Here we will use the formula of x plus 1 upon x whole square, because we directly have the formula of this. We know the formula of this, so we will use this. It is equal to 6 square. You do the square in both the sides. What will you get from here? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 equals to 36. So what is x square plus 1 upon x square? 36 minus 2, that is 34. Now you have to determine this. So what will you do? You will do the whole square of this. X minus 1 upon x whole square. Find out its value. First you find out this value. So Pranjali Trivedi, what is x minus 1 upon x whole square? X minus 1 upon x whole square. Can you tell me? It is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. X square plus 1 upon x square you have found from here. It is 34. Substitute 34 minus 2, 32. So what is x minus 1 upon x? How will you determine? Take the square root of RHS. Take the square root of RHS. It's clear? What is the square root of RHS? You can see. So see here, it is equal to 16 into 2. What is the square root of 16? 4 root 2. So x minus 1 upon x equals to 4 root 2. Now, what is x square minus 1 upon x square? Kausar Raja. X square minus 1 upon x square. How will you find? It is the difference of two squares. So it will be x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x. This is one formula. All of you learn this formula. That's why I am keeping in the bracket. You learn this formula. It is clear? What is x plus 1 upon x? It is given equal to 6. X minus 1 upon x, 4 root 2. So it is 6 into 4 root 2. That is 24 root 2. 24 root 2. It's clear? You see once again whether it is clear or not. Now you see the question number 20. Question number 20. X minus 2 upon x equals to 3. And you have to find the value of this. So if you see this carefully, you will find that x cube is the cube of x. Here, this is the cube of x. And 8 upon x cube, it is the cube of 2 upon x. 8 upon x cube is the cube of 2 upon x. It is clear? So see here, what will you do? You do the cube of both the sides. So on cubing both sides of equation 1, cubing both sides of equation 1. When you will do the cube, x minus 2 upon x whole cube equals to 3 cube. Now this can be opened by using the formula a minus b whole cube. What is a minus b whole cube? Who can tell? A minus b whole cube. Who can tell? A cube. Yes.
Sir, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. In bracket a minus b, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube.
A minus b. Only this much is enough.
Yes, sir.
A cube minus b cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b. It is this thing is similar to this. What is in place of a?
X.
Who can tell? X.
X.
What is in place of b?
2 upon x.
2 upon x.
And why it is 2 upon x? Because in place of minus, there is minus. It's clear? So now you substitute. When you will substitute x ka whole cube minus 2 upon x ka whole cube minus 3 into a is how much? X into b is how much? 2 upon x. Within bracket minus b, so x minus 2 upon x. This is the value of this thing. This is the value of x minus 2 upon x whole cube. So you simplify x minus 2 upon x whole cube equals to x cube minus 8 upon x cube. X and x cancel. Minus 6. And what is the value of x minus 2 upon x? So you can see here it is 3.
3.
It is 3. Now here also you substitute 3. In place of x minus 2 upon x, you place 3. So 3 cube equals to x cube minus 8 upon x cube minus 18. 6 3 are 18. Now you have to determine this value. You have to determine this. Means here it is this. So you bring minus 18 here in this side. X cube minus 8 upon x cube. Or it is x cube minus 8 upon x cube is equal to how much? It is equal to
45.
it is 45. It's clear? Now all of some more questions. Question number 25. 25. Here it is x square plus 1 upon 25x equals to 8 whole 3 upon 5. You have to find the value of this value you have to find. Is it clear? So you can see here. If you see this thing, it is the whole square of x. And this is whole square of 1 upon 5x. This thing is whole square of 1 upon 5x. X square is whole square of x. It is clear. 1 upon 25x square is the whole square of this. X square is the whole square of x. So what will you do? You first of all do the square of both square of this. Find the value of its square. X plus 1 upon 5x whole square. So we will use this formula. Which formula you will use? Who can tell? Tanvi. A plus B whole. We will not use this formula here. Why we will not use this formula? Because both are the different. Here there is x and here there is 5x. That's why we cannot use this formula. It's clear? We will use this. What is this formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So you substitute formula, you must write. So here, what is in place of A? In place of A, there is x. In place of B, there is 1 upon 5x. You can see here, x plus 1 upon 5x whole square. So in place of A is this and in place of B is this. So it is equal to x whole square 1 upon 5x whole square plus 2 into A into, when you will simplify, it is x square. It is 1 upon 25 x square. X and x cancel, plus 2 upon 5. Now you can see here, this value is already given to you. It is already given to you. This is given. What is this value?
43 upon
43
5.
upon 5.
3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. What is LCM? 5. 43 plus 2, that is equals to 45 upon
5.
that is equals to 9. So what will be x plus 1 upon 5x? It will be the square root of 9.
Under root.
We will write only 3. Don't write plus minus. Only 3. It's clear? X plus 1 upon 5x equals to 3. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now after this, we see the question number 26. And this is a very good question. How will you do? You tell me. Here it is given x square plus 1 upon 4x square equals to 8. And you have to find the value of this. Now who can tell me? Who can tell? Apurva, how will you do this question?
So here x square means x square is the square of x and x cube is the cube of x, and in the second B 1 upon 4x square is the square of 2x and 1 upon 8x cube is the cube of 2x. So we can say that the common value will be x plus 2x. So by squaring x plus 2x, x square 1 by
Yes,
4x
I
square
got. Now
plus
see
1.
here. If you see here, x square and x cube. It is the x square is the square of x. X cube is the cube of x. Similarly, 1 upon 4x square. It is the square of 1 upon 2x. And 1 upon 8x cube is the cube of x. Okay. So what will you do? Here by the use of this, we will find this value. We will find this value like in the previous question. Here this was given, we have to find this. It's clear? Now what will you do? Here we will find out the value of this. After determining this value, we will do the cube of both the sides. We will do the cube of this. So you can see here x plus 1 upon 2x ka whole square. So it can be opened by using the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is in place of a here? In place of a, there is x. In place of b, there is 1 upon 2x. So it will be x ka whole square plus 1 upon 2x ka whole square plus 2 into a into. When you will simplify, it will be x square plus 1 upon
4x
4x.
square.
Then 2x and 2x cancel, that is 1. Now this value is given 8. So it is 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Means x plus 1 upon 2x whole square equals to 9. So what is x plus 1 upon 2x?
Root 9
It
is
will
equals to
be
3.
and that is equals to 3. Now in order to determine this, we will do the cube of both the sides. Cube of both the sides. So you can see here x plus 1 upon 2x whole equals to 3 cube. It is a plus b whole cube. So it is equal to a cube plus, what is the formula of a plus b whole cube, that you know, a plus b whole cube. It is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. What is in place of a here?
Sir, x.
In place of b,
1 upon 2x.
1 upon 2x plus 3ab, that is 3 into a is x into b is 1 upon 2x within bracket x plus 1 upon 2x equals to 27. So x cube 1 upon 2x, that is 1 upon 8x cube plus x cancel 3 by 2. X plus 1 upon 2x already you have determined here. It is equal to 3. It is equal to 3. So into 3 equals to 27. 8x cube equals to 27 minus 9 upon 2. So it will be 54 minus 9. So it is equals to 45 upon 2. That is 22.5. 22.5. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. After this, I will take one more question here. Question number 30. X is given 5 minus 2 root 6. You have to find root x plus 1 upon root x. How will you do this question? Who can tell? X is given this, and you have to determine this way.
Sir,
Yes.
first we will find the value on x.
First, you will find. Yes.
Upon
Shreya,
x.
1 upon x. We will find 1 upon x. You can see here. 1 upon x will be 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. Now what will you do?
Also, we
After
will
this,
After
rationalize.
that we will
rationalize the denominator. How will you rationalize? Multiplying numerator and denominator by 5
plus 2 root x.
And in numerator also 5 plus 2 root 6.
2 root 6.
X.
When you will simplify, it will be 5 plus 2 root 6, and denominator can be simplified by using the formula a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus.
Square minus b square.
So a minus b, a plus b. What is in place of a? 5. So it is 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square. So it will be 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 square is 25. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 6
24.
So 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 1. That is
5 plus 2 root 6.
it's clear.
Yes.
Now after this we will find out x plus 1 upon x. So what is x? 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6. So this and this cancel. So it will come out 10. So x plus 1 upon x is 10. But we have to determine this value. Here we have to determine.
Now,
So what will you do? We will find
sir,
out
we will make the whole square.
this value. We will find out first this value. इस value को find out करेंगे. How will you determine this value? You can see here. Root x plus 1 upon root x whole square. It can be opened by using the formula. Yes, Shreya.
A plus 1 upon a whole square.
No, simply a plus b whole square. Yes, that also you can do. Yes. Because both the things are same. So that way also you can do. So I am doing this. Root x whole square plus 1 upon root x whole square plus 2 into root x into 1 upon root x. I have used this formula. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It's clear? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the root x ka whole square? It is x. 1 upon root x ka whole square, 1 upon x.
1 upon
This
x.
and cancel it. And this value already you have found.
Determine.
It is equal to 10. It is equal to 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Means whole square is known. So what is root x plus 1 upon root x? It is equal to square root 12. Square root 12, how will you write? 2, 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. Pair of 2 has formed. इसका pair बन गया. Therefore, it will come out 2 root 3. It's clear? It will be 2 root This thing is clear. Now you take one more question, which is of different type here. Question number 27. 27, 28, both are of same type. But before that, you take question number 24. Here it is given x square plus 1 upon x square equals to 27. This thing is given. And you have to determine this value. 3x cube plus 5x minus 3 upon x cube minus 5 upon x. So see here, we have to determine this value, its value. So here we will first rearrange the terms. Here we will do the rearrange the terms. So how will you rearrange the terms? You write the terms of x cube at one place, terms of x at one place. So 3x cube minus plus 5x minus, what will be common from here? X cube minus 1 upon x. What will be common from here? X minus 1 upon x. Means now you have to determine this value. And what is given to you? It is given x square plus 1 upon x square equals to 27. So what will you do? By
X minus 1x whole square.
Yes, very good. By using this, we will determine the value of x minus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x की value नहीं determine करेंगे, because that is not required here. It's clear? We will determine the value of x minus 1 upon x. And how can you determine? Subtract 2 in both sides. Subtract 2 in both sides. X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 equals to. Now what are these three terms? This is the whole square of this. It's clear? These three terms is the expansion of this. Therefore, in place of these three terms, you can write x minus 1 upon x whole square equals to 25. So what is x minus 1 upon x? It is 5. So this much part you have found. Now after that we will do the cube of this. When you will do the whole cube of this, you will get. It's clear? On cubing this, you will get this value. So you do x minus 1 upon x whole cube equals to 5 cube. What is the formula of a minus b whole cube? So that you know, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b. We know the direct formula also here. It's clear. So what is a cube? X ka cube minus 1 upon x ka cube minus 3 into x into 1 upon x within bracket equals to 125. So x cube minus 1 upon x and x cancel minus 3. And what is x minus 1 upon x? Already you have calculated its value is equal to 5.
5.
Value is equal to 5. So it is equal to 125. So what is x cube minus 1 upon x cube? 125